Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Saturday, 5th of March. And right now, the prediction that I made some few days ago has been played out perfectly right on the money. So here we are, and it seems like SLP did actually come down to the 17, but it seems like it went just a little bit lower, and it's still in a good spot. Okay, still in a good spot, because what you're doing right now is you're actually coming in and you're potentially touching the trend line once again, which is not a bad thing. Okay, so you're still above the trend line. You haven't really go below the trend line. You just went up. Look, you came down. You're touching the trend line, and this looks like a good entry opportunity. That's a very, very good investing opportunity, in my opinion. Not a financial advice here, though. And personally, if I've been taking entries into some of the coins, but the thing is, this to me, if you ask me honestly, that's a very, very good buying area. I mean, look, you do have the red candles, you are at the support. What else do you need? What else do you need? Look at that. You broke out of a big, big resistance. You just came down to that resistance support level. It is clicking right now. Everything is looking amazing to actually to enter SLP right now. And the symmetrical triangle that we actually talked about has played out perfectly. You broke out of the symmetrical triangle and you went back to where you formed that symmetrical triangle. Again, technical analysis still works. Put a check there. I mean, so far it's like every single video with SLP has been absolutely correct. Every single video. And I can even make the fact that if you're new to the channel, that I am the first person on YouTube who is actually predicting SLP from top to bottom. Even as a matter of fact, the drops that happened before when SLP was dropping, these one were also predicted by me. I haven't seen any other YouTuber, and I'm gonna say this because I'm proud of myself and what I did, man. Like, this was the bear flag that I was talking about, and I told people this is your next technical target. I was marking the blue line down here at 0.001. We went down there. I actually took a trade down at the 13. A lot of people did take some entries here at the 13, and I was giving the call out of a bull flag that we're gonna go near the 44, but we just went to the 42 and we were cashing out at that place. And then again, I was giving the ABC corrections and a potential bigger C wave that happened. I did give a head and shoulder and a technical target to go to the 16. That played out. And now here we are once again, and we talked about the symmetrical triangle. This has played out. Now, the story at this present point of time is, what I'm saying is, this is your ultimate investing opportunity. Not a financial advice, not nothing, but this is where you take entries. Do you know why? You don't control the market. Certainly, I don't control the market. So when do you enter? You still have to take risks, right? It's all risky business. I'm not even guaranteeing that you're gonna go up or not. But logically and chart reading, based on chart reading, this is a good entry point. This is what you buy, and actually this green candles is what you sell. This red is what you really, really need to enter, and this is where you actually have to it's like just a good opportunity for you to be entering the market once again. So in my opinion, everything is amazing. Who knows, you can get so lucky that it goes to the upside. The worst that can happen is that this one does go below this trend line and then you start to dip to the downside. That will be bad. Okay, that will be really, really bad, but you're not doing that. You are in the support. Lose the support and then I will believe you're gonna go down. Right now you're not losing support, you're not losing the 0.0169. You could go a little bit down here, make a quick and then boom, you shoot to the upside. If you're not even very, very sure with your purchase, you can enter just a little bit. If you have 100% of your money, just invest 20%. What's going on, right? You're gonna lose very, very little money, and that's really a good idea right now, personally, my own opinion. So yeah, we came down to the 17. We've met the technical target. Everything is looking very, very good. Once again, the opportunity has been presented itself. It seems like the opportunity is there for you, waiting for you. Man, take your opportunities. Even though before going in with anything. I don't control your money, so do some little bit of research. I don't want you guys to come and say that, hey, we invested because of you. I went all in. I sold to my mom and my kids and my wife and everyone else, and then I bought SLP. I mean, don't do that. Okay, don't do that. Just invest what you can afford to lose. Just put a small pinch of grain. And look at this. What I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm just gonna leave this bird view for you. Ever since 15th of July 2021, look, you went down, you went up, you went down, and this is for the first time you've actually crossed a particular resistance. You came down, fall for the retest, and you're doing exactly everything to continue to the upside. I'm telling you, I love what I see right now on the charts with SLP. When it was bad, I told you honestly, I do have a video, go to the channel, watch that. And I told so many people that this thing is not looking good. What it made was bearish and it's going down. But this time around, what it made, okay, if I'm going to be honest with you, call any technical analysis out there in the world, this is very bullish. Unless you don't fall right back into it, then it's not going to be bullish. As long as you're above this yellow line, you are absolutely safe. Okay, so let's go to Google, and I just want to type in bullish breakout patterns, and I want to see from the images right there if we do have any other bullish breakout from a downtrend. In my opinion, that's what I should be writing in front of it. So yeah, I'm really trying to see where the hell we're gonna get the downtrend, the bullish breakouts, guys. That's what I'm looking for. It seems like Google is not kind enough to show me. All right, in a downtrend. I'm not really getting that pattern. Let's try one more. Downtrend, bullish breakout, I guess. Yeah, something like this is what I'm talking about. Okay, so you're gonna see the channel that is forming, and then you go to the downside, and just look, you actually pop out, you come a little bit down, and then boom, you go up. There's one more image right here. This seems like the one that I actually need. So this is exactly what SLP is doing, and then you break out of it, and then boom, you go to the upside. So what's the potential next targets, even if you were actually to trade SLP? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top to the bottom right here, lay the fibs, and it seems like you just potentially you might even come down to the 158, who knows. As long as you're above the yellow line, that's good. But if you do start to go up, take the 22.7, then you're looking to go to the 10, 0.10, and that will be an amazing long opportunity of nearly 400%. That would be awesome. That would be really awesome. But if there's a big condition here, I'm not saying it's going to happen. The condition is that you cross the 0.618, put a tick there. You're going to put yourself slowly in a journey to go all the way to this particular price level, but you really have to cross this right here. If you don't cross it, don't expect it to go there anytime soon. So let's just hope you do get to the 0.0227, and that would be amazing. Now I do want to check the weekly as well, so let's look at the weekly time frame here. And yeah, the weekly is not so good, not really good, but Bitcoin is finding some support down in its level, so you might see SLP finding its support as well, and you can actually start to reverse a little bit from here, because I do think the weekly might start to reverse a little bit, unless I'm proven wrong and we start to fall into the trap once again. So that's it for today's update. This is going to be a lengthy one, because I find the charts really cool and amazing, and I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.